What's up, guys? How are you doing? Have you subscribed on my channel? This is Felix254, and I welcome you guys back to my channel. Wale just subscribe, kindly consider subscribing. I love you guys. And so Kitundumo is tomorrow, guys, by Captain Lodge in the Alamode Management Captain Lodge tomorrow. Guys, I urge you to stay tuned on my channel in the Nimo Entertainment back to back. My videos get back to back. So if you want me to come live, guys, nimbuka live muione kila kitu kiende by Captain Lodge. Mwenda videos kidogo tutawaletea pia videos kidogo guys, okay? So stay tuned tomorrow kwambia 6 ine ningumwete kila kitu kiende by Captain Lodge indi tuende pamwe kwa pamwe. And so guys, the other day you saw I did an interview na Mutisia na hatuenda feedback. There's something that had previously happened to Captain Lodge na Mutisia na pili levo maimo na ukawathi yapene maima ito na react ye umalukatia ngitathi upon kuona maima and upon kuona Mutisia. And so I happened to host Mutisia. So guys, if you have not watched that video, there's somewhere a video I'm interviewing Mutisia. And I'm to get the information what really happened, actually, his point of view. And so I feel like looking for my ma with the new Atunenga side of story, so we get to know what really happened, guys. So if you think I should do that, kindly comment down below the comment section nikiendani manye if I really need to do that, okay guys? Because hopefully tomorrow my mark Vatican, not Vatican but Captain Lodge. So guys, nawashukuru sana for the continued support, and so I wish you a great day, a fruitful day. Sorry guys, I'm on the road naenda kazini na nimechelewa, so akili iko mbali sana kidogo, so sorry for that. And so I love you guys. I don't care if your comment is positive ama iko negative. You are all my fans and everyone, you know, okay, comment positive ama negative, you have a reason. And so siwezi wa judge. So guys, continue commenting. Whenever you have something to say, pale kwa inbox ama kwa comment section, comment pale. You know, I'll go through your comments na ni try kuisoma, ni understand what you are saying, okay? So guys, nataka munipatie line ya artists, benga artists wenye mnataka niwalete hapa. Kutoka wa kwanza mpaka ule mnataka nilete wa mwisho. You know, kwa sababu I am there are so many. Sijaleta actually, hata nimeleta hata mmoja kweli hapa. Nataka nimlete kwa hii channel yangu nianze kuwaleta. So if you think I should bring Ken, if you think I should bring Maima, if you think I should bring Wosia Ungu, nataka niwalete wote guys, So niambieni ule mnaona nataka nianze na yeye. Hiyo sasa tujue hawa watu. Najua mnaonanga tu kwa muziki and you've never heard from them. Okay? Nataka niwalete hapa, we have a discussion, get to know them, tujue walitoka wapi, kwa sababu wase wengi wametengeza pesa na tujue walianzia wapi, mazina walitoka mbali, you know. So stay tuned for tomorrow's Kitundumo. Cheers guys, and I love you.